like, share, and subscribe, and watch this video right here. What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. All right guys, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to show you what I use in my vehicle to improve my oil consumption, my gas mileage, and my overall performance in my vehicle. Now, for the subscribers that know me, who have followed my channel, you guys know that I'm somewhat of a guinea pig when it comes to working on my Audis and VWs. I always make sure that I'm the guinea pig. I'm testing out the product before I bring it to you. I have tons of videos with proven results from subscribers and peers who have shown and have stated the products work. I'm not an expert by far. I'm literally here to use the product and let you know if it works for me and how it's worked for me. There's sometimes I use products and it doesn't work. Guys, just to kind of get straight to the point, I'm getting ready to show you the product that has helped me tremendously with my performance, my oil consumption, in addition my gas mileage. And it's so simple. It's somewhat of a hack. I've tested it for the past 3 weeks and it's worked magic for me. So without further ado, here's the product. Okay guys, so the magic sauce is going to be this right here. It's going to be Lucas Oil Stabilizer. It eliminates the noise, emissions, and oil consumption associated with a worn engine, and it's specifically formulated for high mileage engines. However, they do have some for engines less than 75,000 miles, and these are the different ones that they have right here. All right guys, so this is pretty much what I use on the car. You want to add probably a quart your oil changes, and then adding that quart to your oil changes, it will keep your engine alive. When I tell you in using this product, the difference that it makes, not only in the sound of my engine is a lot quieter. My car has a better throttle response. I'm seeing my gas mileage improve tremendously, and also because of the way that it treats the engine and the lubrication, it in addition helps with oil consumption. Guys, this is for real. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I've literally tried everything, and this is the one thing that has tremendously helped and worked on my vehicles. I did do another video with one of the first versions that they had, and this is simply an improved version. So if you didn't see that video, it's right here at the top. Let me show you the other version that I was using before. It's right over here. Guys, as you can see, this is the other version that I had before. For those of you who are following me and know my big turbo Audi, I'm changing the cylinder head, so that's what that is. So it's coming along really well. I didn't forget about you guys. But I use this on this Audi, and this has well over 120,000 miles, 0 issues. Car has ran like a champ. I mean, you guys have seen my videos. Car is strong, right? The only reason I'm changing the cylinder head is because I'm trying to reach a 700 plus horsepower goal. And this has worked tremendously for me. This was the first version. It doesn't say high mileage on this one, and so you can just kind of pick the one you want, but it's kind of the same thing. It even, as you can say, eliminates wear in new engines as well, right? So you have different versions. This works magic, but at the same time, over here, this is going to be pretty much the two right there, right? And guys, I mean, simply use the product in your vehicle and let me know what you think. When I tell you, now being an Audi RS5 owner, how this product has tremendously helped me. And not only have it helped me in the 4.2 RS5, it's helped me in the VR6. So over here in the Volkswagen Atlas, I have the VR6 engine. So we got the 4.2 naturally aspirated. We got the VR6, which is the most popular engine that, one of the most popular engines that Audi offers. And then we have the 2.0. And like I said before, I do have a Q5. It's just not here. It has the B9 2.0 in it, and my brother has an Audi A7 with the 3.0 turbo, which is the ones that they offer in the S lines, like the S4, S5, S5, etc. And then, of course, you have the 2.9 in the newer vehicles, like the Audi RS5 and the Audi RS6 and 7 have the 4.0 turbos. But it's generally all the same, guys. So use this product. Let me know your thoughts. It's helped me tremendously. It gave me a 40% better. It gave me a 40% increase on oil consumption. In addition, help with the gas mileage and the overall performance of the vehicle, because the internals of the engine are more fluent in being able to function the right way that it needs to. I would say I've regained a lot of lost horsepower. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.